In this tutorial, I will teach you how to add custom CSS in Squarespace to personalize your website's appearance. This method lets you override the website's predefined styles and make your website reflect your own aesthetics. Start by logging into your Squarespace account using your credentials. Once you're in, you need to navigate to the Custom CSS panel. You will find this by clicking on the Website option on the Home menu. Upon clicking the Website option, a new sidebar will appear on your screen. Scroll down until you reach the bottom of this sidebar, but not too fast. You're seeking an option labeled Website Tools. Yeah, right. That's the button you want. As you might have guessed, click on it. Now, your page will show you a variety of options to fiddle with. Don't get lost. We are only interested in one option called Custom CSS. Click on it. In case you're struggling to find it, there's a handy trick. Press the / key, also known as the division key on your keyboard, and a search bar will pop up. Type Custom CSS in there, and it will guide you straight to your destination. Once you arrive at your desired panel, Custom CSS, a text editor will pop up. It may appear unfamiliar to those new to this, but fear not. This is your creative canvas. This is where each line of code brings your ideas to life. Here, you either type or paste in your uniquely styled CSS code. And here's the fun part. As you type or paste, Squarespace generates a live preview of your website, reflecting the changes your code snippet makes. Every pixel you alter, every color you add, you can watch it unfold right in front of your eyes. Inspect the changes you make and ensure it aligns with your preferences. When you feel content with the changes you've introduced to your website, don't forget to save them. Tragic would it be if your hard work was lost in the abyss of temporary memory? Look for a Save button and click on it. This click captures the changes you made and applies them to your website, making your custom styling available to your audience. There you go. You've successfully learned, navigated, and applied custom CSS to your Squarespace website. Easy peasy, right? Don't limit this knowledge to your own use. Spread the word and help a few others elevate their web presence. Once again, do remember, every digital masterpiece starts with a line of code. Your website is your canvas, and CSS is your brush. Paint your magnum opus, one line of code at a time. Happy coding!